Welcome back. Today we learn about how to print a topology in EDA Playground. Before directly jumping to the code, let's see the basic architecture. This is the practice in UVM, to write the basic architecture in a rough thing. Like after mm, making some rough architecture, we'll jump to the code. Here in this, we'll print a simple UVM topology. In that, top triggers the test. In test, the environment is created. In environment, the agent and the scoreboard is created. In this agent, the sequencer, driver, and the monitor are created. So this is the basic architecture, and here is the final template. Like for each and every class, we'll use this final one template. In this manner only we'll write the code. Like here within the class, we have used the factory registration. Factory registration. Like this factory registration is of two types. One is UVM component utils and another one is UVM object utils. To create the components, we'll use UVM component utils and we'll write here the class name. What has been written here. Okay. And if we use UVM component object utils, we'll declare the same class name. Like for what is used. Like if we create the component, then the component utils are used. And if we create the stimulus or a sequences, then object is used. Like factory registration is inbuilt one. Like it is completely deep. That we'll see further. Like which one has to be built, that instance handle of the component class which has to be created. Here we'll give the class name and that class handle and the constructor. Here is the constructor. And one thing, before going to the constructor, in this component utils, this component is used to create the test hierarchy, and for the component lifetime is long till the end of the simulation, and for object lifetime is very short. uh, Object is for stimulation generation. It gets created and it gets removed whenever the work is done. Function build phase, connect phase, and end of elaboration. The type method is function, and build phase is a top-down approach. This build phase is used to build the different components, what I said before, and to create the instant. Here I'll say about the connect phase, but here the connect phase I have not used. No connection between one component to another component. For the basic printing of topology, I have not connected it, but it should be connected. If you want to connect, use TLM ports to connect it between sequencer and a driver. Do connect it, but here I have not used build phase. In this build phase, like I was in connect phase, right? Like it is of bottom-up approach used to connect different test benches via TLM ports. End of elaboration, like It is also a bottom-up approach. It is used to display the UVM topology. Like you can see in test, I have written the end of elaboration phase. We'll see the code now. And of any other functions required to be done after connecting, that could be done in end of elaboration phase. Here it has been created, the create method. The class handle which has to be created, this handle, do declare it, and the class name. What is this type ID? This type ID is of this class name, and create. This is the current scope. This is the current scope what this refers to. And UVM, it is the servity, one of the reporting method, UVM info message. Like these are the error message to display what and all the things is happening. Like that is also one deep concept. Completely I'll explain in upcoming days. Now we'll see the code. Before going to the code, we'll set all these libraries. Do select UVM 1.2 and tools and simulators. I will select Synopsys VCS because I do have access for it. So I select. So you go to the free simulators, Icarus, Verilog, or Aldrich Revira Pro. You can use it, but using Synopsys VCS. To select this one, like common mistakes what I have made, and when I was a fresher is we'll write all these things, all we'll create all the components and the objects. We'll try to run, it will not work because we have not selected this UVM 1.2. Everything goes well, but that selection part will miss it out and will struggle for some time. So after that, come here for a test bench. In this test bench, we included ABC package. This is the customized one. What we have created. What is ABC package? This is our package. The package is for compilation order, avoids code duplication, and organizes large UVM environments. Like without this, or import UVM package, this is different and this is different. This package belongs to this package, like current package, like what the compilation order have written. In this order only it should be. This ABC package is for this package. UVM package is inbuilt one. In that UVM package, without that, the UVM doesn't work. With this macros and the UVM package, it doesn't work. What and all it contains? It contains base classes like test, environment, agent, driver, monitor, sequencers, and phases like build phase, connect phase, all, and utilities and macros, TLM, factory, config DB, all it contains. Without this, it doesn't work. This is the package. And write the test bench. In top, do import it. What and all it is written. After including, do import it. And run test. Here we are triggering the test class. This is the test class. In this test class, UVM test. It is extended from the base class, and this is have given the name test. In that test, the test is component utils. So here it will create the component. The lifetime is big till it ends the simulation, and you can see the sequence item, the object utils. The lifetime is small. It will create. After the work is done, it will remove. It will remove. This is the basic one. And the handle in test, we are creating the environment. Do write the class name and the handle and the constructor do construct it super dot new. Using this, do construct it and build phase to build the component and to create the instance. And as I said, end of elaboration phase. This is for to display the UVM topology and other functions. Any other functions is required to be done here, that could be done here. In environment, as same as test only, it is built. In environment, component factory registration has been done, agent and scoreboard. Like what the basic architecture, what I have explained, the same it is. Same it is. If you do that architecture well, if you create it, then writing this, aligning is becomes easy. Becomes easy, and UVM info is to see the error message. Like if we get stuck uh, after writing the code, like some kind of syntax error, if it comes, like UVM info error fatal helps to like debug. For debugging things, this error messages has been given and build phase. In this build phase, scoreboard agent has been constructed now. Same as agent. In this agent, same sequencer driver monitor, active, passive, is active, that can also be given in this phase only, and sequencer in this sequencer build phase. And the constructor has been written driver. This is all basic one, driver, mm, and monitor, the scoreboard, sequence item. This is one part. Just to explain the basic one, this has been written completely. After doing this, do save it once and do compile it once. We'll see in the output window. All it will display. What and all we have constructed. In that code, I have not written the connect phase. So in where it is, in sequencer and driver, here the connect phase, the connection has been not built here. So how the architecture goes, like that only the code goes. Like if we have written, the architecture is also same, but it is must we should write. But now, as if now I have not written in this, but we should write to drive the data. And where it is, like we have got one report. What is that? Test topo in that environment, agent, driver, monitor, sequencer, and the scoreboard. What we have constructed, in that manner only it comes. Like how many infos are there, how many warning messages are there, error, fatal, everything comes here. Do like, share, subscribe for more learnings, and thanks for watching.